Welcome back. There are also major political games at play in Uttar Pradesh. With monsoon session of the state assembly all set to start tomorrow, the suspense over who is going to succeed party chief of Samajwadi Party Akhilesh Yadav as leader of opposition in the assembly has finally ended. Remember, the position had fallen vacant after Akhilesh Yadav got elected as a member of parliament. Now, his party has picked veteran leader Mata Prasad Pandey for the post. Mata Pandey is a Brahmin at 81 years of age. He is one of the senior most leaders of the Samajwadi Party. He's been an MLA for 7 times and was last elected from Etawah. He has a vast experience. He has served as the UP Assembly Speaker and Minister in the state as well. The decision was taken after a meeting of the MLAs at Samajwadi Party headquarters in Lucknow. The party announced Kamal Akhtar as Chief Whip of the party and Rakesh Kumar Verma as the Deputy Whip. But the position of LOP has garnered the most interest. Remember, Akhilesh Yadav had held the post since the beginning of Assembly term in 2022. He resigned from his membership of Assembly to retain Kannauj Lok Sabha seat. Now, what went behind this decision-making? Caste and power equations within the party may have played a crucial role. There were speculations that Shivpal Yadav, 6-time MLA and uncle of Akhilesh Yadav, could have been the chosen one. The others in the running were said to be Indrajit Saroj, Ram Achal Rajbhar, Ramurthy Verma and Ravidas Malhotra. Finally, it is Pandey who has won the race. The Samajwadi Party has been seeking a strong leader with strong oratory skills for the post to take on the treasury benches.
The new LOP of UP Assembly, Mata Prasad Pandey, is here with us. Mata Prasad Pandey जी, आपको UP Assembly का LOP बनाया गया है, किस तरह से जिम्मेदारी को देखते हैं?
अब ये महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मेदारी है और ऐसे समय तो सरकार आकंठ भ्रष्टाचार में डूबी हो, बेरोजगारी की समस्या बढ़ती चली जा रही हो, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की समस्या उत्पन्न हो गई हो, किसानों की समस्या उत्पन्न हो गई हो, विद्युत की समस्या हो, तो बाढ़ से भी समस्याएं उत्पन्न हुई हैं। जो सारी समस्याएं हैं, ये सबको ये एक चुनौती के रूप में समाजवादी पार्टी स्वीकार करके सरकार को घेरे।
कल से सत्र शुरू हो रहा है, क्या वहाँ मुद्दे रहेंगे? आपने जैसे बताया बेरोजगारी है, महंगाई है, क्या जो बीजेपी का जो अंतरकलह है, क्या इसको भी मुद्दा बना के सदन उठाएंगे?
देखिए, उनके अंतरकलह से हमें क्या लेना देना? उनका अंतरकलह है, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी हमारे तो बात करते हैं उनके बारे में।
आप अभी तक जो है पीडीए की बात चल रही थी, समाजवादी पार्टी पीडीए का नारा लगा रही थी, अब एक ब्राह्मण चेहरे को एलओपी बनाया गया, ऐसे में सवाल उठ रहे हैं कि पीडीए का क्या होगा? क्यों,
पीडीए को तो है ही है। और जहां तक मेरा प्रश्न है कि ब्राह्मण चेहरे के नाते बनाया गया, ये सवाल नहीं, मैं समाजवादी पार्टी का जो एक कार्यकर्ता रहा हूं। और जहां तक पीडीए की लड़ाई का सवाल है, हम बहुत ज्यादा लड़े हैं।
अच्छा, आप लंबे समय से जो है विधायक रहे हैं, 7 बार के विधायक हैं, विधानसभा अध्यक्ष भी रहे हैं, कैसा वो एक्सपीरियंस था और ये जो आपको नई जिम्मेदारी मिली है, किस तरह से?
इस सब मिलकर हम विधानसभा में सरकार को घेरेंगे।
And now, opposition has already started taking digs. In fact, BJP leader Keshav Prasad Maurya, who of late has been generating a lot of attention and headlines, has commented on this. He said, while congratulating Mata Prasad Pandey, that Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has betrayed backwards and Dalits. He's the one who keeps talking about PDA, but when choosing an LOP comes, he has not picked somebody who is a backward or a Dalit. समाजवादी पार्टी के पीडीए का मतलब बहुत बड़ा धोखा है. Politics has already started, Adib.
Well, definitely, Priya, politics has started. Samajwadi Party has named Mata Prasad Pandey, who comes from Brahmin community, as the LOP of UP Assembly. Keshav Prasad Maurya is pointing fingers at the Samajwadi Party. He's saying that PDA ek dhoka hai. This is how Keshav Prasad Maurya, who is the Deputy Chief Minister, is raising allegations on Samajwadi Party. In fact, we have Samajwadi Party spokesperson right here with us. फखरुल, जो समाजवादी पार्टी पे केशव प्रसाद मौर्य आरोप लगा रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि पीडीए जो है धोखा है। पीडीए का नारा कहाँ गया जब एक जो है अपने ब्राह्मण को अपने एलओपी बना दिया?
देखिए, सवाल ये है कि जो डिप्टी सीएम खुद दिल्ली और लखनऊ के चक्कर लगा रहे हो भारतीय जनता पार्टी में, वो आरोप समाजवादी पार्टी पर लगा रहे हैं। आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने जब पीडीए नारा दिया था, उनसे पूछा गया था कि पीडीए क्या है, तो आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने कहा था ए से अगड़ा। और उस अगड़े में वो अगड़े हैं जो समाजवादी सोच के हैं, जिन्होंने समाज के हर वर्ग की लड़ाई लड़ी है। आदरणीय माता प्रसाद पांडे जी समाजवादी पार्टी के सबसे वरिष्ठ विधायक हैं, इस संस्थापक सदस्य रहे हैं। सर्वसम्मति से समाजवादी पार्टी में उनके नाम पे चर्चा हुई और उनके नाम पे अंतिम मोहर आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने लगाई। तो माता प्रसाद पांडे जी भी पीडीए का हिस्सा हैं। शायद वो भूल गए कि गोसी का उपचुनाव जब हुआ था तब भी हमने पीडीए के नारे पर लड़ा था, और तब हमने किसी पिछड़े और दलित को या अल्पसंख्यक को नहीं लड़ाया था, अगली जाति के ठाकुर को लड़ाया था। तो पीडीए में हर वो लोग शामिल हैं जो समाजवादी सोच के हैं। माता प्रसाद पांडे जी वो समाजवादी सोच के हैं, समाजवादी पार्टी के संस्थापक सदस्य हैं। आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने उनको बड़ी जिम्मेदारी दी है। हम अपनी पार्टी के अध्यक्ष आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी का आभार व्यक्त करते हैं।
So, see Priya, this is how Samajwadi Party is saying that whoever believes in the ideology of Samajwadi Party is part of the PDA family. In fact, Mata Prasad Pandey himself is a PDA since Akhilesh Yadav during the election was saying that Pichde means Pichde, Dalit, Alpsankyak and Agde. So this is what Akhilesh Yadav has to say when it comes to defending the PDA formula of his party. But clearly BJP is raising questions on how Samajwadi Party has made Mata Prasad Pandey as the LOP of Uttar Pradesh Assembly. Priya.
All right, for our viewers, let's just once again go through the exact quote that has been put out by Keshav Prasad Maurya. He has posted, and I quote, "Congratulations to Shri Mata Prasad Pandey ji on becoming the leader of opposition in UP Assembly. Hope he will play the role of a constructive opposition leader. However, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has betrayed the backwards and the Dalits. SP's PDA means a big betrayal. BJP will repeat the victory of 2017 in 2027. Adi, now that there is a valid point that BJP is making when it comes to leader of opposition or the speaker's post in Lok Sabha. Samajwadi Party has been the loudest next to Congress perhaps in saying that the people from backwards community, from Dalit community must be chosen, must be brought forth. But tell us behind the scenes politics of how Akhilesh Yadav zeroed in on Mata Prasad Pandey's name, because in doing so, he has sidelined many, including his own uncle.
Well, definitely, Priya, see, Shripal Yadav is the senior most leader in Samajwadi Party after Akhilesh Yadav, and many in the Samajwadi Party were speculating that since Akhilesh Yadav has vacated his seat and he is now a member of parliament, Shripal Yadav is the contender who is in the race, and he will become the next LOP of UP Assembly. But since Akhilesh Yadav made Lal Bihari Yadav, so it was most unlikely that he will be naming another Yadav for the post of LOP in UP Assembly, as BJP will be training guns for the dynasty politics. But in today's meeting, what happened in today's meeting is that most of the MLAs were in favor of Shripal Yadav. They were saying that Shripal Yadav should be made LOP, but just because of the dynasty politics, Akhilesh Yadav was trying to avoid it, and to avoid the conflict, he came up with the solution of Mata Prasad Pandey, on which what party sources are saying is that even Shripal Yadav agrees on Mata Prasad Pandey, since he is the senior most leader in Samajwadi Party. He is a 7-time MLA and also the former speaker of UP Vidhan Sabha. So on this conclusion, Samajwadi Party has named Mata Prasad Pandey as the LOP, but party sources are saying that most of the MLAs wanted Shripal Yadav to be the LOP in UP Assembly.
All right, will he be accepted by one and all, or will we see some dissenting voices coming out? We'll have to wait for that. But there